Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your search bar which is not working in your Windows or computer, okay? So let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open our task manager. Now how I can do that? Just have to do a right click here at the start icon and go for task manager. Click on it. Okay, so once you're here at the task manager, just simply expand it by clicking this bar icon here. Okay, so since we'll be fixing our search bar, then we need to go for background processes and look for search. Okay, so you can see here search next to the runtime broker. Now here's the thing, you need to select this, do a right click and click on end task. Okay, so the moment you click on End Task, your computer will automatically restart your computer. But if it doesn't, then just restart your computer manually and check if your search bar is working again. If it works, then good. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step. Okay. So go back here in this task manager, and this time you need to go for Windows Explorer. So I can see here under the apps. And if in case you don't see your Windows Explorer here, go for background processes again and look for it. Okay. So once you find it, just select it again, do a right click and go on restart. Okay. So in that manner, you will be able to fix your search bar. Okay. So let's say if it doesn't fix the problem, then let's proceed to the third and important step, which is to run our command prompt. Okay. So at your keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open run. And here you are going to input a command. Okay. So this command, so don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. Okay, just have to copy it. Control C to copy, Control V. So click on OK. So the moment you click on that, this search and index thing, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems will appear. Okay, here you need to click on next to run the troubleshoot. Okay, so it is now detecting all the problems. Okay, so here it has different options that you can select to. So whatever reason or whatever problems do you notice, just have to put a check mark on this and click on next. Okay, so mostly when they Windows is being troubleshoot. I mean, when the once you troubleshoot your Windows, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so it will take some time. Just have to wait and then restart your computer, and it will fix your problem. 100% sure. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to fix your search bar which is not working or responding in your computer. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.